Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today we are doing a 10 by 20, so finally getting a little bit bigger than those little tiles, right? Am I right? All right, so today I have already put black paint down. This is the Liquitex Basics black, and I am using my leftover neon that I had mixed up yesterday. So they were all in separate cups, and I just put them over top and let it drain, and then switched it out an hour later until all the paints are in here. There's a lot of green on there. And when I bought these, they're the Deco Art Americana, in case you didn't see the other video. And they only had the green, the pink, the orange, and the yellow. So I got a new box of the Arteza pouring acrylics, and they have the blue neon. So I'm going to add the blue as my swipe. So I'm going to pour these back and forth this way, and then I'm going to put this down the middle, and I'm going to swipe. So it'll have all the colors. So this ought to be pretty, nice and neon. Still celebrating at New Year's. So I don't know why I've decided New Year's is neon, but I have. So here we go. I have two sizes of the swipe cards that I'm going to use off of a Little Debbie box, a more narrow one and then a wider one, and we're just going to play around with it. So let's get going. Yeah, so on the tiles, I did a little swipe, but then I thought, you know, that would really look good on a black background. So I wanted to give it a try. Okay. All right. Now I'm just going to squirt the blue directly out. It should be fine because it's still fluid. We'll read the bottle in just a second. Let me concentrate. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's the Arteza blue neon, the pouring acrylic colors. So it's ready to go. So I have never tried those before, but you're going to be seeing them because I bought a whole set of them with the 32 colors because I've been seeing everybody have them. I got a little jealous, and so I had to treat myself. You know how it goes. All right, before I get started, let me get some paper towels to wipe this swipe card on. There we go. Before I get my hands dirty, it'd be nice to be organized, wouldn't it? But if you notice, I did have my gloves on when we started, so that's an improvement. All right, just gonna swipe it this way. In no particular order, just playing around. It's so messy. Okay. Just watching the cells pop up. Look at that. That's so crazy. The made purple with the pink and the blue. So pretty. All right. Well, I'm going a little wonky there. I did try to do it more straight across. Okay. I'm going to use the big one again for a minute. Woo. All right, guys. So I've been meaning to ask you, what do you guys want to see from me? Do not to say Baby Yoda. I mean it. Don't say it. I'm going to be doing some resin. I've got a teapot that I'm working on that I thought you guys might like. I hope it turns out it's in its final stages, so it should be fine. And I just need to resin it. And then I am also going to be doing some ocean stuff and ocean resin stuff. So I have some exciting stuff planned, but if there's something in particular you guys want to see, just let me know, because I always welcome ideas. Gonna add a little bit, there we go. All right, guys, what do you think? Am I done, or do I need to do something else to it? I should let it develop, shouldn't I? All right, well, let's give it a few minutes and I'll be back. All right, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes and this is what we have. I don't know if I should do something else to it or just leave it. I think I'm just gonna leave it, so I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, here are some close-ups. Here's the bottom right hand corner going up to the right top, down, down the painting all the way over to the left hand corner, left hand bottom. Let's see, there's the whole thing. Look at those cells. Aren't they pretty with the black behind it? Just all these pretty, I guess it's lacing, really. It's fun. It's pretty. I hope we're going to bring in this new year and it's going to be the best year ever for all of us. How about that? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.